Hello. Well, it's been some time. I hope you're watching my shorts videos for my other stuff, but here is a regular video because I got some mushrooms. Yes, that was a full frying pan, as you can see. It was so good, and we ate it all. Good thing I got more. Da 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 da. Here it is. So, if you know the name of this mushroom, name it. I'm just gonna call it oysters. Oh, hi there, little guy. What you doing here? Go, take a break. Here's my favorite one and only. You've seen in all my videos. Japanese still. Well, I assume it is. Right? The plan was to make a soup. Then I sauteed some of them, and we ate it all. So, request saute the rest of them. So, will do. Now, this not came from the wild, okay? This came from the box. Somebody farming mushrooms, but here's a closer look. The bottom. What do you think it is? Is that what you call hen-of-the-woods? I think that's what it is. Yeah. Interesting. Because it's so many, they think there's no gills. It's kinda porous. And it has this cracking ornament that's kind of make it look like a feathers. I think it's not oysters. I think it's a hen-of-the-woods. Once again, I didn't get it from the wild. That's why I didn't worry much, because it's from the farm that people have been eating before me, and I already ate some of them. But yeah, let me know. What do you think it is? I think it's a hen-of-the-woods. I'm going to slice it, and it's going to be fast, so you don't have to watch me slicing it for next who knows how long. As you can see, it comes in clusters, so the way I'm going to slice it, just make it about this size, so it will, when I cook it, it cooks through, and going to be, small enough to eat, small enough to cook through, but not, not too small so it doesn't get burned while cooking. Okay, ready to speed up? Well, I think that's enough. I couldn't fit them all, so I have to figure out what to do with this cluster. But I'm gonna add this to that, start cooking, and when you cook mushrooms, they usually get smaller while you cook it, so don't worry, it's not gonna overflow. So I'm gonna use olive oil, butter, salt, and a little bit of thyme. Ain't nobody got time for that, but I got some time for that. Let's go! I put it at the medium. I'm going to add my olive oil. Don't look at me like that. There was already something on the bottom, okay? So it's not gonna burn. And then I start stirring it up. Cooking time, 20 to 30 minutes, okay? Somewhere halfway through, I'm gonna add butter and salt and thyme. Yes. As I cook it, I kind of constantly do a little bit of stirring, trying to get, well, not constantly, but frequently, trying to get the one that on top on the bottom, and the one that on the bottom, get it on top, so they all get equal amount of cooking. I would say this mushroom, just like any other mushrooms, would be wonderful with fried potato and sour cream. But since I have abundance, since I have plenty of this mushroom, that hen-of-the-woods, I'm just gonna cook it by itself. As you can see, it's not so full looking anymore. I'm gonna add some thyme, just a little bit. You don't need much time. Okay, mix it up. You see it start releasing the water. So, like when mushrooms done releasing the water and this water evaporates, that's when they pretty much done cooking. Sometimes you can stop cooking when there's still some water, but a lot of mushrooms, they're pretty much ready when all this water is done. Alright, just a little bit of salt, not too much. We're 10 minutes in. I'm just gonna use that much of butter, not too much. One here, one there. The butter somehow it's engulfs the flavor of the mushrooms and almost like enhancing it. I had to really squat down to get myself and the mushrooms in the camera. That was a lot of effort, so like, subscribe. It's totally worth it. 15 minutes, and at this point the water that released by mushrooms almost gone, so I'm going to cover it with a lid. I need a bigger lid. So I'm going to cover it with a lid and cook for another 10 minutes. Every minute or two I'll be checking on it, mixing it up, stirring it together. At this point it's almost ready. Oh, it's pretty much ready. Well, how do I know if it's all ready? Let me tell you my secret. I'm going to take a fork and get the biggest piece out of there and give it a try. If it's a little too tough to chew, that means it needs more time cooking. If it's delicious, that means the rest of them are ready to be eaten too. Because if the biggest one is cooked, the rest of them cooked too. Well, hello. Is it you I'm looking for? I think that's the biggest of them all. Let's give it a try. it's ready. It's done. Well, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my hen of the woods. You enjoy whatever you're cooking. Was your truly favorite? Don't forget to watch more of my videos. Bye.